Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to do Garware Plus PPF in Mahindra BE6 EV vehicle.
And the black and eyes make my way into your mind, just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but I'm in the dead of the night. Let the darkness take control.
In this Mahindra BE6, every edge is perfectly protected by pre-cut PPF.
Let the darkness take control. Darkness take control. May the darkness take control.
Wait for the end, the final outcome is worth it.
Sink to your heart to find you. Open up your eyes till you're blinded by the lies, so you can see what you do.